So this is a video to remind players around how we play out from the back in a 4-3-3 formation. That is playing out from the goalkeeper to our defensive unit, through to the midfield unit and through to the attacking unit, playing the ball through the thirds of the pitch. So in this example we're going to play out from the goalkeeper from a goal kick. The goalkeeper spots the ball up in the centre of the box, which gives him options to play out both ways. The first thing we need to think about is our starting positions. So as soon as that keeper's spotting the ball down, here's where we're going to look to move to. Centre backs splitting wide of the box, full backs pushing up high and very wide. That's as wide as a touchline, literally standing with chalk on your boots. Okay, so these are the Philip Lahms and Jordi Albas playing out wide, at least as high as the midfield line. Next is the midfield three. Okay, you need to be within passing distance of each other, but also spread so that we're not standing on each other's toes and making ourselves easy to mark. The front line should be pushing up high to occupy their back line. Okay, notice that the number 7 is not playing out wide, but we're all playing nice and long, making the pitch nice and long. So the two players that are going to be most likely to be not marked are the two centre backs. You know, this is Thiago Silva, this is Mats Hummels. We're most likely to be able to receive the ball because we're not likely to be marked. These are the positions that we're supposed to take up. So let's have a look at the ball coming out to the left centre back. Ball plays out. I want you to have a little look at what we do in midfield. We're trying to think ahead. So as that ball travels, watch the 6, the 10 and the 8. And as that ball's travelling, that's their trigger to create space for each other to rotate round in a clockwise position. So as that ball's travelling, they're on the move. If we play out to the other side, so we just go back to the keeper again, as that ball goes out to the right hand side, if you watch the 6 and the 8 and the 10, as the ball travels to the right, the number 6 is going to move to the left and the number 10 drops into the space left. Hopefully in this situation the 6 and the 8, they're dragging markers with them, which is why we're trying to get these players on the ball and hopefully play into these midfielders. Ideally we want to get one of these three on the ball. If that's not the case, we might go wide, but the options are about getting those midfielders rotating to receive the ball. When we do play into those central midfield areas, it's important to remember they won't always be able to turn on the ball, which is why number 4, number 5, your then job is to support from behind so that we can play back in either to one of the centre backs or back to the keeper or to the other centre back. So it's really important that the two centre backs remain behind the player, behind the ball, to support from behind.